Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to get one of these things, which is a SIM eject tool that comes provided with the device in the box. Once you have that, you can, if you have your case on, take it off. And the tray for the phone is located at the bottom of it, so there we go. Now in the tray you will have a tiny little hole which the pin will fit into. I push it in, and as you can see, the tray will pop out just ever so slightly. Now for you to grab it, take it out, and on here you have space for SIM card and SD card on either side. So the first side, the front one, when you take it out like so, is just for the SIM, and on the back side you have space for SIM card or SD card. So I'll be using one of each. So there we go. I'm gonna pop in my SD card here. Now the cards in here should hold, they shouldn't really pop out. If they do, that probably means that you didn't put it correctly in. It needs to like completely flash on the tray. So from there, let's pop in our SIM card. There we go. And again, SIM card also holds, no problem. And from there, I'm gonna insert it back into the device. The cards should immediately start working. As you can see, SD card is already working, and the SIM card is working as well, as it's prompting me to put in my SIM pin. So once I do that, I can unlock it, and there we go. That's how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.